Hey friends, today we are going to be learning about the letter P. What sound does the letter P make? That's right! If you put your lips together, you can make the sound. What things begin with the letter P? Have a look around you. I'm going to draw one thing that starts with the letter P. Maybe you can draw something that starts with the letter P too at home. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a clue. It begins with P. Play. That's right, it's Play-Doh. Play-Doh. P is for Play-Doh. Now it's time to paint. Blue. Purple. Blue. I love playing with my Play-Doh. I love Play-Doh. Do you love Play-Doh? Wow! What's your favorite color Play-Doh? Red. Yellow. P. P is for Play-Doh. Wow, look at this Play-Doh that I have. It is purple Play-Doh. Yeah, just like the picture, you're right. Play-Doh. Wow, it says Play-Doh on the lid. I have so many different colours. Wow, so many Play-Dohs. So many beautiful Play-Dohs. I love Play-Doh. Red Play-Doh, orange Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, green Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh, and pink Play-Doh. Should we open the pink Play-Doh? Okay. Wow, the Play-Dohs look like the colours of the rainbow. So pretty. Ooh, my pink Play-Doh is glittery. Let's get it out. Ooh, it's a little bit tricky. That's okay. I did it! Well done! I did it. Let's put that over there for now. We can use the Play-Doh if any little pieces fall out and stick it all right back together. Wow! So shiny and so bright. Pink glittery Play-Doh. So first I'm going to roll it up in my hands. I'm gonna roll, keep on rolling until I get a ball. Then I'm going to use my hand to flatten it out. Push down to flatten the Play-Doh. Now I still want to make it a little bit more bigger, so I'm going to use my roller. Oh, this one's a little bit tricky to use, but you just have to keep going, rolling the Play-Doh. And once you're happy with your Play-Doh, you can just put that rolling pin right down and grab your cutters. Look, I have a heart one. I also have a flower-shaped cutter, butterfly. Oh, do you like butterflies? Star, kind of like twinkle twinkle, and I have a circle. I'm going to use the heart one first. Wow. So you want to push it into the Play-Doh. Make sure you push it down real hard. And then you want to move it side to side so that it comes out. Uh-oh, my one's stuck to the paper. That's okay. I'm going to use this Play-Doh knife to try and get it out. Ta-da! Oh wow, I love my glittery pink heart. So pretty. Now I am going to try and make a butterfly. Push it down, push it side to side. Ooh, look, that one came out better. Now you want to get something to push your butterfly out. Or you can even just use your finger. Wow, so glittery. I'm going to use my Play-Doh knife to add some design on my butterfly. This is the body, and I'm going to draw some little dots for the pattern on the wings. Oh wow, I really love my butterfly now, even more. Next we're going to make a star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Gonna use my Play-Doh knife again to get it out. Wow! It's so pretty. I just love playing with Play-Doh. I could play with Play-Doh all day. I love Play-Doh so much. Squishy squish, making my flower. Ooh, this one's stuck to the paper as well. That's okay. I'll just try to get it out. Wow, I love my flower. And I'm going to use the end of my Play-Doh knife to make the circle in the middle of the flower. Boop, 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 boop. You can do any design you like. And last but not least is our circle. Let's push it down, push. Ooh, you have to be careful to not ruin the shape. Oh look, I've got an idea. I've put it onto my flower. Doesn't it look amazing? Whoa! Look, the Play-Doh's left a design on my paper. That's silly. Normally I would use a board to play with my Play-Doh on, and it wouldn't stick onto that, but just for today I did it on the paper. Maybe next time I can show you again. Would you like to see some more Play-Doh videos? Let me know. Well, this was so much fun. I loved playing with my Play-Doh. Thank you so much for watching. See you again soon.